Hi everyone, and welcome to the beginning of week 10 in Writing 213. This is a writing week. You should be finishing up your peer review today. If your group needs another couple days to work on the peer review, that's okay. Maybe just check in with me and let me know how things are going and if you have any questions. This week in terms of media, I'm not giving you additional reading, but I've linked to some tutorials and webinars from the APA style page. If you're a person who still has questions about citing sources, check out the tutorials that are about preparing your references page. The one about student papers is especially useful. If you've got the referencing down, you do not need to worry about these. I imagine all of you are doing additional readings about your paper topic this week and are busy with that. So you should be finishing up the peer review today. Your final essay is due on the 26th. Make sure when you submit the essay that you include answers to the questions about the reflection, which is right here. Let me move this down just a little bit. So remember, inside of the paper, you're writing the paper itself, but then you're also including answers to these reflection questions along with your paper. It's okay with me if you write this as a separate document or if you include it just at the bottom of your research paper. So after you turn in this paper at the end of week 10, we'll start our final major project for this semester, a multimedia project. But don't worry about that until you finish up this one. I'll be in my office hours this week. If you have questions in your draft, you can tag me on them. You can set up an appointment with me or come to my office hours. But make sure you're asking if you have questions. I hope you all are doing well. Take care.